Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 20th to the 24th of February 2023 on Monday. Sibonelo corners Hlelo into a decision she doesn't want to make. A wife defies her husband, bringing their marriage into a question. A man's life hangs in the balance when the one he wronged hold the key to his survival on Tuesday. Sibonelo and Nosipho was plan a dinner to announce their relationship. Pastor Gwala isn't happy when Mondli accompanies them to Nosipho's gynae's appointment on Wednesday. Dinner at the Magwaza's goes array. Pastor Gwala isn't pleased to hear that Nosipho and Mondli have made an important decision about Menzi, and he's the last person to find out. Mpendulo tells Nyawo to start preparing for his funeral on Thursday. Mthambisi accuses Colonel Mabaso of betrayal. Kapsile calls Nkunzi after witnessing Mthambisi kill someone. Kapsile throws up in the toilet. Kapsile is pregnant. On Friday, Kapsile is shaken to the core to find out that she's been sleeping with Satan. A child's paternity makes the strong foundation of a marriage. A man resigns himself to his fate. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.